MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. We'll talk to you about a new trade we got in. It's a 2010 205 Sea Ray Sport, 5.0 TKS engine. TKS stands for turnkey start ignition, quick fire, no priming, hot plugs, hot coil. Very fast boat, very nimble, running around close to 50 mile an hour boat. It's a great beginning boat. This boat was kept on Beaver Lake in Arkansas. It's a freshwater boat, kept under a boat cover in a boathouse. Be a great lake boat, river boat, island boat. It's a great boat all around. Comes with the trailer. Come see me, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, 850-708-1317. Come see me.